this composite function means the chain rule is play major role in this chapter. Okay, so we have to discuss more problem in this one. Okay, no? Now after that I will start the next topic. Now we are in differentiation chapter, session 2. Session 2 means differentiation of composite function, means second concept. Okay, and part 3 means day 3. Okay, no? Now some more examples I will give on this chain rule. First one is d by dx of sine of x square is there. So first which function we have to consider? This one, sine x. Okay, no? Now differentiation of sine x is what? Cos x. That is equal to cos of x square. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? X square. Now that is equal to cos of x square. Again d by dx of x square is what? 2x or not? So first what we did? D by dx of sine of x square. It is in the form of sine x form. So treat this x square as x. So differentiation of sine x is what? Cos x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? X square. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Now come to this problem, second problem. D by dx of sine square x. Differentiation of sine square x. Now it can be written as differentiation of d by dx of sine x whole square. Can you write? Now it is in the form of what? X square. So total this base we have to treat it as what? One single variable x. Now how to write it? As the differentiation of x square is 2x. X is what? Sine x. Again what we have to do? Differentiation d by dx of what? Sine x we have to do. Now that is equal to 2 into sine x. Again d by dx of sine x is what? Cos x. Now 2 sine x cos x. Can you write it as what? Sine 2x, like this. Next, third one, if you take d by dx of cos of 2x plus 3. First what we have to treat it as? Cos x. Total this one we have to take as what? X. Now differentiation of cos x, that is equal to what? Minus sine x. What is x? 2x plus 3. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? 2x plus 3. Again and again, no need to write. Now we got the habit. Now differentiation of 2x plus 3 is what? 2. So 2. Now that is equal to minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Next, take one more problem. D by dx of, so tan 2x. Differentiation of tan 2x. Now what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. Now that is equal to secant square what? 2x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? 2x. What is the differentiation of 2x? 2. So this is what? 2. That's it. Next. Next one is d by dx of secant 5x I am taking. Differentiation of what? Secant 5x. What is the differentiation of secant x? Secant x into tan x. Now that is equal to secant of 5x and tan 5x. What you are doing here? Secant 5x, this 5x as what? One single variable, it has what? X. Now differentiation of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. Now what we have to do? Again we have to do the differentiation for this extra value. What is that? Function is what? 5x. Differentiation of 5x is what? 5. Now that is equal to 5 into secant 5x into what? Tan 5x. This is our final answer. Okay, now next one more problem. D by dx of root of x square plus a square. D by dx of x square plus a square. Now it is in the form of what? Root x. Now differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 root of x square plus what? A square. Again what we have to do? Differentiation of x square plus a square. Now that is, this is as it is, we have to write 1 by 2 into root of x square plus a square. Again we have to do the differentiation of this one, that is equal to what? 2x plus differentiation of a square is what? 0. So like this you will get. Now 2x plus 0 is what? 2 only. Here 1 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? X by root of x square plus a square. This is one of the simple problem. So by using this one we have to do the differentiation of this one. Say 1 to 1. D by dx of log of x plus root of x square plus a square. This is important problem. What you are taking? D by dx of log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Okay, now? And now first it is in the form of which formula? Log x. Means here to here it is what? Log x. Treat this total as what? X only. Now differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Just you take 1 by x. What is x? This one. This is x. Again what we have to do? Differentiation. D by dx of x plus root of x square plus a square. Now that is equal to 1 by x plus root of x square plus a square. Now again we have to do the differentiation for what? This. Now it is in the form of what? Sum of the two terms. Already we learned in what? First part. Now that is equal to differentiation of x is what? 1. And differentiation of root x square plus a square. Already we did. What you got this one? X by, already in previous problem only. X by root of what? X square plus a square. Now simplify this one. Here you take the LCM. That is equal to 1 by x plus root of x square plus a square into, what is the LCM here? Root of x square plus a square. Here root of x square plus a square plus x. Now is there any cancel? This one cancel. What is remaining? 1 by root of x square plus a square. So how we simplified? By using the chain rule. Okay, no? Now this one is also same as previous problem only, but here log is there, here power is there. Okay. Now how to do this problem? First it is in the form of what we have to observe. If you take this as x, x power n. Differentiation of x power n is what? N into x power n minus 1. Apply that one first. That is equal to n into x plus root of 1 plus x square whole to the power of n minus 1. And next what we have to do? Next, d by dx of x plus root of 1 plus x square. For this one only we have to do the differentiation or not? Once again see, so this is x power n. This total base I am taking as what? One single variable, x power n into x power n minus 1. Again we are doing the differentiation for what? This x value. Now this is as it is. So we know that, can you write this as x to the power of n minus 1? How to write? X power n into x power minus 1. Can you write? Again it can be written as x power n, x to the power of minus 1. Can you write? X. Now same concept I am applying for this one. Here n into x plus root of 1 plus x square whole power n. And same here minus 1 is there. Now that one you can write it as what? X plus root of 1 plus x square. Can you write by using this one? Here only x is there. Here this part is there. Now into differentiation of this one we have to do. How to do the differentiation for this one? Previous one we did x plus root of a square plus a square. In place of a square what is there? 1 is there. Now differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of root x form, same as previous one. Differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x square. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Under root value also or not? Again I am not writing again and again d by dx of like that. Okay. Now under root value. Again differentiation of under root value is what? Here what? 0. And differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Now this is 2x. Now that is 2 get cancelled. N into x plus root of 1 plus x square whole power n divided by x plus root of 1 plus x square into what is remaining here? 1 remaining. 1 by root of x square plus into x. Here take the LCM. What is the LCM here? Root of 1 plus x square. Here what we will get? Root of 1 plus x square plus x remaining. Now is there any cancellation here? Yes, this one and this one get cancelled. What is remaining? N. Once you observe, if you want to write this one, suppose if you take this as y, you can replace that y here. Suppose sometimes they will give, if y equal to this one, then find out the what? Dy by dx. Means if you take this as y, you can replace that y here. But you are not taking here, no, as it is you write down. Now that is equal to, what you will get? N into x plus root of 1 plus x square whole power n, whole divided by what? Root of 1 plus x square. Suppose if you take this as y, so that this value by replaced by what? This value is replaced by y. Ny by root of 1 plus x square like this. Okay, now once again listen. So first it is in the form of what? X to the power of n formula. Okay, now this total base what I am taking? X I am taking. So what is the differentiation of x power n? D by dx of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. In place of x this total base is there. So n into x power n minus 1. Again we have to do the, here also we have to do the differentiation for x, but here only x is there, this one get cancelled, so that's why 1 you are getting. So that's why you are not writing this point. But here this is not x, other than x is there means we have to do the differentiation definitely. Understood? So that's why d by dx of x root of 1 plus x square. Now again we have to do the differentiation. This is over. This one we simplified according to this condition. Okay, now like this you got. Again differentiation of this one if you do 1 plus differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. And differentiation of 1 plus x square is what? 2x. Here 2 get cancelled. If you take the LCM, root of 1 plus x square plus x by root of 1 plus x square. Now these two get cancelled, so this part is remaining, that part is what? Our answer. Suppose if they given this, if y equal to this one means you can replace that y equal to what? Ny. So ny by root of 1 plus x square. Understood? Now this one. Now once you take one note, this is most important note, d by dx of x to the power of n, what you taken? N into x power n minus 1, okay no? And d by dx of sin x, what you taken? Cos x taken, okay no? Means d by dx of x to the power of n means n into x to the power of n minus 1. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? X also actually. Means here x is there. So with respect to x, variable also x only. There is no problem. Means if you do the differentiation for x also, then these two get cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 only. And here also differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. And again we have to do the differentiation for x also, no? So means dx by x you will get cancel. So that's why 1 only you will get. Suppose the given like this, d by dx of, d by dx means we are doing the differentiation for the given function with respect to what? X only. Suppose here our function is sin y. Here we are doing the differentiation for the given function with respect to what? X only, but our here variable is what? Y is there. So at that time what we have to do? Same thing, do the differentiation for the sine. What is the differentiation of the sine? Cos, that is equal to cos y. But again here we are doing the differentiation or not? But here variable both are what? Same. So that's why here 1 you are getting, but here you won't get 1. Differentiation with respect to y also you have to do. Sorry, differentiation with respect to x to the what? To the which function? Y also. Means what you will get? Into what? Dy by what? Dx. Understood? D by differentiation with respect to the x. To the which function? Sin y. Means differentiation of sin y is what? Cos y. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Y. Means dy by dx you will get. For example, d by dx of tan y is there. D by dx of tan y. Means here we are doing the differentiation with respect to what? X. But here what is the variable? Y. Means differentiation of tan is what? Secant square. Just you write down secant square y. Again we have to do the differentiation of y with respect to what? X. Here y is there, here x is there. Suppose here x is there, so you will get what? 1 only. But here not x, this is y. Means differentiation of x, sorry, differentiation of y with respect to x is what? Dy by what? Dx. Like this you will get. Okay, no? So still we will do the problem based on this one. Next one. Next problem is this one. Suppose they given cos of log of tan x d by dx. D by dx of cos of log of tan x. How many functions are there in this? First cos function, next log function, next tan function, means composite function. Differentiation of this one we have to do. First this total value you take it as what? X. Now cos x. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Simple thing. Minus sin of x is what? This total. Log of tan x. Okay. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? That what you taken as x, for that one we have to do the differentiation. Now d by dx of log of tan x. D by dx of log of tan x. And now that is, this is as it is sin of log of tan x. And now again this one you take it as what? X. Now differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x means 1 by tan x. Okay, no? Now again we have to do the differentiation for what? Tan x or not? Now that is equal to minus sine of log of tan x divided by what is there? Tan x is there. Differentiation of tan x, secant square x into what? Secant square x. Now what we did? D by dx of cos of log of tan x. Three functions are there. So this total function I am taking as what? Single variable. Okay. And now differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. What you taken as x, again we have to do the differentiation for that one. So d by dx of log of tan x. Okay, this is over. D by dx of again what? Log x. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. X is what? Tan x. 1 by tan x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Tan x. Differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. Okay, no? Okay. Next one. If you take this as 1 and I will take this as 2. Root of log of sine of e power x. In this one, how many functions are involving? See, first root x. Okay, no? Next one log. Next one sine. Last one is what? E power x. Simultaneously we have to do the differentiation, because we know that how to do the differentiation of root x and how to do the differentiation of log x, differentiation of sin x, and what? E power x. And now first d by dx of this one. So which function we have to consider? Root x. This total under root value what I am taking as what? Single variable means x. Now differentiation with respect to x, here also x only is there. Okay, now. And now that is equal to 1 by 2 root of log of sine of e power x. Correct, no? Next again we have to do differentiation for what you taken as what? X. What is that? Log of sine of e power x. Now that is equal to 1 by 2 into root of log of sine of e power x. Okay. Now again differentiation of this total what I am taking? X I am taking. Now if you take this as x, then it is in the form of what? Log x. That is 1 by what? Sine of e power x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? What? Sine of e power x. Once again see, root 1 by 2 root, differentiation of log 1 by x, again differentiation of sine. Now this one as it is we have to write 1 by this one as it is plus 1 by this one as it is, this one and this one. Again differentiation of sine, cos means here sine of e power x is there into differentiation of sine is cos of e power x. Again we have to do the differentiation for one more problem, one more function. What is that? E power x. Shall I write directly? Now differentiation of means differentiation of e power x. Differentiation of e power x is what? E power x only, no. Now into what is there? E power x. Now this problem is completed. Now finally if you want to write like this, what? 1 by 2 into root of log of what? Sine of e power x you can write. Into what? Cos by sine, cot. You can simplify like that. Cot of e power x. Into what is there? E power x. Like this. Okay, no? Right. Next, third one is differentiation of log mod sin x. This is important one. Differentiation of log of mod sin x. So in part 1, first day, we taken one formula, differentiation of mod x. What you taken? Mod x by x. How you got that one? I explained also. Now it is in the form of d by dx of log x formula. In place of x, what you are taking? Mod x. Now differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. That is equal to 1 by mod x. Again we do the differentiation for what? Mod x. That is equal to 1 by mod x. Differentiation of mod x is what? Mod x by x. Mod x by x. What is get cancelled? So always differentiation of log mod x is what? 1 by x. Most important condition this one. Okay, no? Now otherwise you can solve like this one. We know that for x greater than 0 means x is positive, mod x definitely what? X only or not? So mod x is x when x greater than 0. Now replace mod x by what? X. For what? X greater than 0. Now therefore d by dx of log x. Mod x becomes what? X for x greater than 0. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Next. And for x less than 0, for x less than 0, this mod x equal to what? Minus x for the negative side. Now d by dx of this mod x becomes what? Log of minus x. Observe here x value is what? Negative. Negative of negative, positive will get. Okay, no? Because here for x less than 0, mod x equal to what you are taking? Minus x you are taking. Now differentiation of this one? 1 by minus x or not? Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Minus x. That is equal to 1 by minus x. Differentiation of this one is minus 1 get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by x. This only or not? For x greater than 0 or x less than 0. Okay. Try this problem, this fourth problem. This is also important one. If y equal to e power sin square x plus sin to the power of 4x plus sin to the power of 6x up to infinity, then find dy by dx. So once again I am saying this chain rule play a major role in this chapter. So more problems we have to discuss in this one. Then only we have to go to the what? Next chapter. You are not perfect in this chapter. Definitely it will affect on total calculus also. Okay, no? Now y equal to, once you observe the series here, given series, sin square, here what? Sin to the power of 4, sin to the power of 6, etc. Common ratio you identify. First term is what here? A equal to what? Sin square x. First term. It is in the form of what? AP series or GP series or HP series we have to identify. For that one, common difference is same means AP. Common ratio is same means what? GP. So first term is what? Sin square x. Common ratio. How to identify the common ratio? This one by this one. Second term by first term. So again what you will get? Sin to the power of 4 by sin square. Sin square only or not? Means sin square. Means common ratio is this one by this one, what you will get? Same only or not? Means common ratio is same means this series in what? Geometric progression. So we know that infinity term, because it is approaches to what? Infinity. This series approaches to infinity. Now, so infinity term in GP is, what is the formula? A by 1 minus R. Okay, now, so it is linked based into what? Progressions. Now, y equal to e power a. Here a is what? First term, sine square x divided by 1 minus sine square x, that is equal to sine square x divided by cos square x, that is equal to tan square x. Now here e power tan square x. This total we are getting what? E power tan square x. Now e power what? Sine square x divided by 1 minus sine square x. 1 by sine square x by cos square x is what? Tan square x. Now for this one we are directly, we can't do the differentiation. So that's why what the information they given, according to that we simplified. If you observe this one, first term and common ratio is there. It is in what? GP. So infinity terms in GP is what? A by 1 minus R. According to that, if you substitute all the values in this one, we got what? Tan square. So e power tan square. Now for this one we have to do the what? Differentiation. Now it is in the form of what again? E power x. Now dy by dx equal to e power x. X is what? Tan square x. Differentiation of e power x is what? E power x only. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? D by dx of tan square x. Now that is equal to what? Equal to e power tan square x. Differentiation of tan square x. Again it is in the form of what? First problem today. Sin square x means x square you taken. First or second problem. So d by dx of tan square x means what? 2 tan x or not? Means x square formula. Differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. 2 tan x. Again differentiation of tan x. Secant square x. Secant square x. So once again listen here, from here y equal to e power tan square x. Here it is in the form of e power x. D by dx means differentiating with respect to x. If you take e power x as it is, again we have to do the differentiation for the power. D by dx of tan square x means here tan square x can be written as tan x what? Whole square. Differentiation of x square formula 2x, 2 into tan x. Again differentiation of tan x also we have to do the differentiation. What? Secant square x. This is okay, right. And one more problem here. Write down. Let f be a twice differentiable function. F be a twice differentiable function such that f double dash of x, actually it is in second order derivative, but you can do now also, minus f of x, and f dash of x equal to g of x. Again if h of x equal to f of x whole square plus g of x whole square, where h of 5 equal to 11, then find h of 10. Once again, f is a twice differentiable function such that f double dash of x equal to minus f of x and f dash of x equal to what? G of x. If h of x equal to f of x whole square plus g of x whole square, where h of 5 equal to 11, then what they asking? H of 10 asking. So this is a important problem. Once again, read the question. First, what the conditions they given. So this is by using the chain rule only we will do this problem. So f double dash of x equal to minus f of x they given. Means you can write it as f of x equal to minus f double dash of x. You can write now. Next, and next what they given? F dash of x equal to what? G of x they given. So again, if you do the differentiating with respect to x on both the side for this one, second order, again if you do the differentiation, if f dash becomes what? F double dash. F double dash of x equal to what? G dash of x. Okay, no? Now take the given condition. What the given condition? F of x whole square plus g of x whole square differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay, no? Variable is also x and we are doing the differentiation x only. Now here h dash of x. Now it is in the form of what? X square. Yesterday one problem you f of x, f of x like that. Now differentiation of x square form means 2 into f of x. Again we have to do the differentiation for f of x also now. So what we will get? F dash of x. Once again see, here f of x whole square is there. It is in the form of what? X square. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. 2 into f of x. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? F of x. So differentiation of f of x will denote what? F dash of x plus 2 into, it is also g of x into what we will get? G dash of x. Okay. Now we have to simplify according to the given values. So all these values we have to substitute in this one. What is the h of x? Because what they asking? H of 10. H of 10 you want means first of all we want h of x what? Okay, now, but here h dash of x only there. Now that is equal to what? Here 2 into f of x equal to what? Minus f double dash of x. I will substitute minus f double dash of x into f dash of x as it is plus 2 into, here g of x is what? F dash of x. All these given. G of x is f dash of x. G dash of x is what? F double dash of x. F double dash of x. What you observe? This is negative minus, same it is what? Plus value. Means this becomes what? 0. So h dash of x. When one function, means derivative of one function is when you will get 0? When that function is what? Constant. Right. So h of x is equal to what? Constant. For all x belongs to, for any value of x, this is what? Constant only, not only 1 or 2 values. For any value of x, it is what? Constant. Now given, what they given? H of 5 equal to 11 means h of 10 what you will get? Also what? 11 only or not? Because this is not only for what? Single value. It is for all x, it is what? Constant only. Means h of 5 equal to 11 means h of 10 also 11. So that's why what is our answer? 11. Okay. So like this also sometimes they will ask the problem. and take one more problem. These are the another model problems. Find dy by dx if y equal to f of x square plus 1 and f dash of x equal to sin x square. Find dy by dx if y equal to f of x square plus 1 and f dash of x equal to sin x square. So what they given, what we have to find? Listen carefully in this one. Given y equal to f of x square plus 1, correct? No? What we have to find? Dy by dx we have to find. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Now dy by dx equal to differentiation of this one. What? F dash of x square plus 1. Again we have to do the differentiation for x square plus 1. What is the differentiation of x square plus 1? 2x. Shall I write directly? Now it has 2x. That is equal to. Now this is our answer. But according to the given values, we have to simplify our answer. Now what is the value of f dash of x? Here given f dash of x equal to sin x square. This is also simple only, once you observe. F dash of whenever x is there, here also x. But here what is there? F dash of x square plus 1. Means in place of x, what is there? X square plus 1. Means replace x by what? X square plus 1. Means f dash of x square plus 1 can be written as sin of x square plus 1 what? Whole square. Means in place of x, what I take in here? X square plus 1. This one you substitute here. That is equal to sin of what? X square plus 1 whole square into what? 2x. This is our answer. Okay. Try one more problem. Y equal to f of sin x square and f dash of x equal to x square plus 1. What then find dy by dx. Y equal to f of sin x square and f dash of x equal to x square plus 1. Same as first problem only, just interchange that one. Okay, no? Now differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, dy by dx equal to, if you do the differentiation with respect to x on both the sides, here what we will get? F dash of sin of x square. Again we have to do the differentiation for sin of x square. Listen all of you once again. Differentiation of f of x. Differentiation of f of x is what? F dash of x. Again we are doing the differentiation for what? Sin of x square. That is equal to f dash of sin of x square. Again differentiation of x square. Sin x square is what? Cos of x square. Okay, no? Differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin, first problem. Differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Again differentiation of x square, 2x. Once again differentiation of f dash. Differentiation of sin, cos. Differentiation of x square 2x. Now here this one you can't do anything. Where we have to change? This one only. What they given? F dash of x equal to what? X square plus 1. Means here x is there, here x square is there. But what you want? F dash of sin x square you want. Means replace x by what? Sin x square. Now f dash of sin x square, replace x by sin x square, equal to what? Sin x square whole square plus 1. This one. Substitute this value here. This. So sin x square whole square plus 1 into what? 2x into cos of x square. Okay, no? Right. Okay. F of x equal to sin x, g of x equal to x square, h of x equal to log x. If capital F of x equal to h of f of g of x, then find capital F of x. So this is also important problem once you listen carefully. What they given? F of x equal to sin x, g of x equal to x square, h of x equal to log x, capital F of x equal to h of f of log x, then find out the differentiation of capital F of x. So for finding the differentiation of this one, first we have to identify this function. Okay. Now that is equal to h of, simple thing, f of g of x. What is g of x? G of x they given x square. Okay. Now h of, once you observe, all of you listen carefully. In place of g of x, what the g of x function they given, that one you substitute. Again f of x. What is f of x? Sin x. Means replace x by what? X square. Means sin x square. Okay. Now that is equal to, again h of x. H of x form. But h of x is what? Log x. Now log of, in place of x, what we have to substitute? Sin x square. Sin of x square. Now observe, it is looking like a composite function only or not. First what we have to substitute? Log x. Again differentiation of what? Sin. Again differentiation of x square. You can do this problem now. So then capital F of x. Differentiating, if you do the differentiating with respect to x, then what will get? F dash of x. Here what? Log x. Log x means 1 by sin x square. Again differentiation of sin, cos x square. Again differentiation of x square, 2x. Then our answer. Okay, no? Okay. One last problem I will discuss. If y equal to f of 3x plus 4 divided by 5x plus 6 and f dash of x equal to tan x square, then find dy by dx. See this one. Y equal to f of 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6 and f dash of x, then dy by dx. How to do? This is y they given. So what we have to find? Dy by dx. How to get the dy by dx? Differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to differentiation of this one. Whatever it may be x, first you do the differentiation for f of x. F dash of 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. Again we have to do the differentiation for 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. That is equal to. Now here what they given? F dash of x. But in place of x what is there? 3x. Replace x by what? 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. So this function becomes what? Tan of 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. What? X square. For angle only square is there. So replace x by 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6. Tan of 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6 whole square. Now we have to do the differentiation this one. Okay, no? You can do by what? Suppose in board exam, means in theory exams they asking, means u by v, quotient rule we have to apply. Suppose in entrance they given, what we have to do? AD minus BC, one function they given now. AD means what? 18 minus BC minus 20. Here our function is what? X. Differentiation of x is what? 1 by denominator 5x plus 6 whole square. So that is equal to tan of 3x plus 4 by 5x plus 6 whole square into what? Minus 2 by 5x plus 6 whole square. This is the formula of a into f of x plus b by c into f of x plus d. Differentiation how you taken? AD minus bc into differentiation of that function. Here function is x divided by denominator whole square. Okay, now first day I think I told this one. Okay, now now this is about the what? Chain rule, and more problems I given in our assignment. You properly practice that one, and in next class I will start the next topic, implicit functions. Okay, no? So thank you very much.